Today, we're here to talk about capacity and how it increases your ability to get funding. Capacity is your ability to pay based on your income and your expenses. This is one of the 5 C's of credit. Now, we're talking about proving your capacity. One of the best ways to prove your capacity is through a job. That's check stubs, a W-2, whether you get paid monthly, bi-weekly. That is one of the best ways to prove your capacity. Now, other ways is through tax returns. This is through documentation, personal financial statements, bank statements, and other things like that. Matter of fact, if you're a trust fund baby and got plenty of money in the bank, that's a great way to prove your capacity. Now, other ways, we're talking about self-employed. Self-employed may be a little bit more difficult to prove the capacity. You're thinking, well, I got a job. I'm working my own job. I can prove it. The only way a bank is going to feel confident that you actually make money is through those deposits. Monthly deposits in that account will prove that, yes, you have the capacity to pay the bank back and do business. Now, finally, we're going to talk about increasing the capacity. How you increase your capacity is through business. Say if you went, opened up a business, bought a franchise, anything in that format, that helps the bank have much more confidence in your capacity to be able to pay them. And then finally, one thing to increase your capacity in doing all that is to reduce your expenses. If your capacity is high in payment and your expenses are low, it's a great formula to show great capacity. And one note that I like to just say, when I was talking about business, one thing, you business owners, when you go back and talk to your tax advisor, you make sure they do not zero all your income out. Because how can you show any capacity with zero income? It just doesn't work right in the same formula. From here, what I'd like you to do for more content, please like and subscribe. Thanks so much.